So when we read on a page like this, we firstly notice the name of the topic, pressure here written in big size, and liquid pressure. And secondly, we look into the bold area with the equation, and the bold letters, quotes, pressure is the force acting on units area. So sometimes we can quickly grab the main idea of the paragraph by just focusing on the equation or this bold words. Okay.
Both letter words. Yes.
Bold words. So the definition of pressure is the ratio between force and area.
Ratio between
For
what
example,
area?
let me find an example of that. A walking shoes on snow.
Can
Can you
you wait a
explain?
bit? I need to take my notebook. Yes, thank you.
Okay. And oh, this is so much better than on the computer. Pressure.
Okay, done.
Okay. Anyway, I'd just like you to read the paragraph about pressure on the left column here for about 10 minutes.
The left one.
Left column here, pressure, not about the liquid pressure, just on the
Okay.
left,
Okay.
on page 79. And while reading, please write down on your notebook the summary, only one sentence for each paragraph, or just one or two sentences which you think is more important that worth understanding.
10 minutes later.
So, what you know of pressure? What does it mean?
Pressure is the force acting on a unit area.
Yes, exactly. Or we can say how the effect of force on an area is the concept effect of a force on an area. It is measured by the force on unit area. Measure on unit area. Unit means 1 meter square. Okay. The effect, it means that the smaller the area, the greater the pressure, and vice versa. The greater area means less pressure. So that on an example like this, when walking on a snow surface, these people wear a type of shoe called snowshoes. Okay, so that the way they act on the ground is spread out on a larger area, and therefore keeping them from sinking to the snow. Okay,
Okay.
or another example is that, or a nail, pressure a nail, so that we can use a hammer and or just our finger. The tip of the nail is very small, tiny, so that all the force is focused on that one single point, making it easy to penetrate to get through the object. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the meaning of pressure. How easy, how focused a force is onto an area.
Okay.
So you can write some sentences describing that, or just write the keyword like snowshoes, expanding the weight, spreading the weight, the weight of the person, or a nail, focusing the force of the pressure. The unit of pressure is simply Newton for force and per meter square for area. Or we can write Newton meter minus 2. Okay, and it's equivalent to Pascal, PA. The
Yes.
full word is PASCAL, Pascal. Okay, please look carefully here on the board. The pressure you calculated here, 20 Newton over 0.2 multiplied by 5, that is 100. That's correct here. Question B, the force on the other piston, which is your calculation is 200. That's correct. Correct also. So you see that the area increases from 0.2 to 2, meaning increases by 10 times. Okay. And force will be also amplified by 10 times from 20 Newton to 200 Newton. Also the same ratio, because in that equation we have the pressure equal the small force. We can write F1 over the area A1 equal F2 over the area A2. So the force is proportional to the area. Okay, the ratio of force and area is the pressure, which is constant. So how many times the area increases, the force will increases by the same ratio. Great. Okay. Yeah, you did it correctly. Well done for question 2. Okay. For question 4, let's see if we need to add it with the atmospheric pressure. Oh, they said that the air pressure is ignored, and their answer is 1.15 times 10 to 6, which exactly with your answer. Okay. So I think for this level, IGCSE, they do not require candidates, students to add the liquid pressure with the atmospheric pressure. Okay. For question 4,
Good.
yes, sea level. So we put a note there. Ignore atmospheric pressure. Ignore atmospheric pressure.